Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn about increment and decrement operators in C. There are two types of increment and decrement operators in C. Now let's see them one by one. First is double plus, which increases the value by 1. And second is double minus, which decreases the value by 1. And these operators are also called unary operators because they operate on only one operand. And now let's see an example to understand these operators. Now we are going to understand these operators using an example. First we include our header files, that is standard input-output library and console input-output library. Then our main function start, that is int main. Then curly braces open, then we declare our variables, that is int a equal 10 and b equal 20. And first we print the incremented value of a, that is plus a, using printf function. And then we print the decremented value of a, that is minus a. And then we print the value of b, that is plus b, incremented value of b. And then we print the decremented value of b, minus b. Then return 0 and curly braces close. And now let's see the execution of this program, what we will get when we compile and run this program. And now this is the execution window. Now let's see what we will get. First it will print the value plus a equal 11, that is a incremented by 1. And then it will print minus a equal 10, that is a decremented by 1. And then it will print plus b equal 21, that is b incremented by 1. And then it will print minus b equal 20, that is b again decremented by 1 and becomes 20. And now let's compile and run this program in the compiler. Now we are compiling this program in the Dev C++ compiler. And these are the same results we get. Now thanks for watching. In the next tutorial we will learn about assignment operators in C.